Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start new topic, that is money. Do you remember coins and currency notes? These coins and currency notes are used in India. Here are some coins and currency notes you can see here. These are coins and these are currency notes. These coins and currency notes are used in India. We need money to buy things. Indian money consists of rupees and paisa, and 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa, means 100 paise makes 1 rupee. We write rupee as R and P for paise. This is the sign of rupee, and P, this is the sign of paise. These are coins and these are currency notes. We use these coins and currency notes to buy things. Now, these Indian coins and currency notes are very rare to see now. These are very rare to see now. These coins and currency notes are. See the table given below and write the value in numbers. Here, some values are given below. This is 50 paise, 50 paise coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin. Now, 10 rupee coin is also available in India. Next is 5 rupee note, 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 50 rupees note, 100 rupees note, 500 rupees note, 1000 rupees note, and 2000 rupees note is also available in India. Now, with the help of this table, we will write the value here. This is 7 rupees and 50 paise. So firstly we will write 7 rupees. So 7 rupee, after decimal paise will come. So after dot 50 paise. This is showing the number of paise. So here is 7 rupee and 50 paise. Next is 5 rupees. So we will write 5 rupees like this, 5 rupees. Next is 15 rupee. This is 15 rupee and 50 paise. Next is 37 rupees. And the last is 95 rupees and 50 paise. So student, do this page in your mathematics notebook. Next is adding rupees. Count the money and match it to the object you can buy with it. Firstly, we will count the money. Firstly, we will add the number, and after that, match it to the object you can buy with it. So here is 5 plus 10 is 15. We can buy this teddy bear through 15 rupees. Next is 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. Rupee 8. So match it with rupee 8. Rupee 8. 10 is here. So match it with rupee 8. Next is 20 plus 20 is 40. 40 plus 10 is 50. So match it with 50. Rupees 50. 20 plus 20 is 40. 40 plus 10 is rupee 50. So match it with rupee 50. So rupee 50 is here, this bottle. Next is 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So rupee 5 will come here and match it with rupee 5. Rupee 5 is here. So match it with it. Like this way, complete this page, and after complete your works and homework, pick to me. With this, bye bye, take care.